What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation back again with another video, and today we are talking about Project Supra, the real estate investment project that I like to share some of the experiences that I have buying these cars and stuff like that, because a lot of people see the cars. Supra might not be the hottest thing on my channel, but a lot of people see me, man, excuse all these boxes and stuff. I'm doing mods on cars, but we got the Ferrari F8 Spider right here. Lots of people see me buy these cars, and I share those experiences on YouTube, and you know, it's a car channel. But for me to do this channel and justify it, I like to show you guys how I am able to afford the cars. So today is one of those videos where we're talking about real estate investing and how I do what I do. Because, for example, this Toyota Supra, I just got it. It's it's just a toy that I'm having fun with. And the way I can justify buying this car is because I have real estate investments that pay for the car. So just did a monthly payment video on it yesterday. So today I'm gonna show you guys how we make that payment on this car. So come and take a ride with me in the Supra as we head over to Project Supra, which is the investment property that is paying for this car. I'm going to show you guys what I did, show you guys how much money we're going to make with it, and I got to drop a payment off to one of the dealerships I work with for doing work on my new Volkswagen over there. So let's go. All right, so we are in the Toyota Supra. Man, a lot of people say I'm a little too big for this car. I'm like 6'2" tall. And depending on how you have the seat set up, it can be a small little cockpit in here. But man, I'm loving this car. I think this is one of the best bangs for your buck as far as sports cars that you can get. Like if you're looking for a little something fun that you can have fun with, you can mod it, you can drive it, sounds good, drives good, looks good at most angles. I will say some of the angles are not that attractive, but you know, it's a nice little car, man, especially when you put it in sport mode. Right now I have it in regular drive mode. Man, I'll be doing more stuff with this car if I just had time, but right now I'm running a little short on time. Just made a pit stop over here to Audi of Columbus by the airport to see Rachel, who is helping me out with some basic mods, wheels on my Jetta. And I am loving that Jetta, by the way. I just tuned it, man. It's crazy. I don't know if I released that video already or getting ready to, but came out really good. So stay tuned for that if you didn't see it. Now we are going to, but big shout out to Rachel, because she's the best. If you need an Audi of Columbus, Rachel Paskey, holler at her. She's the best. Like seriously, like really good. So anyway, we're about to head over to Project Supra, the real estate investment project that's going to pay for this Supra. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to answer some questions. Some of you guys asked me some questions about this project and some of the decisions that I make when I do a real estate investment project. But hey, do me a quick favor. Hit the why are you speaking like that, bro? Hit the thumbs up for me on this video, because these real estate videos that I do, I like to do these videos. I have a whole different real estate channel. The way the YouTube algorithm works is basically they like to see a channel focus on one thing. But my channel is not only about cars, but I like to mix in the content of how to get it. You know what I'm saying? Like how to be able to afford the cars. And I want to keep that on one channel. So just do me one favor. Do me one favor and hit the thumbs up. That's all I ask. You don't have to subscribe, none of that. Hit the thumbs up for me. That's all I ask. Drop me a comment if you have questions about investing in real estate and that kind of thing. But let's go ahead and go over the Project Supra. We'll do a quick walkthrough. We'll talk about some of the decisions I made with the property, the revenue that we can make with the property, and how that pays for the toys like this. All right, let's go. All right, so we're pulling up on the property now. Man, sometimes it's been a little while since I've been over here. So let me see. That's the property right there. All right, so we're here at the property. Project Supra. Okay, got the landscaping done. Dope. All right, so let me show you guys the house. Take a step back. Got the Supra out here in the yard. Neighbors probably gonna be wondering what's going on. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the inside of Project Supra. First, so we're gonna talk about decisions that I make on properties. All right, so now for this property, I had a decision to make: leave the tree or cut the tree. We left it. It can cause some problems, so you can see we like start cutting down some branches and stuff like that. So that's something you got to consider when you buy a property, is the landscaping. So we try to make the little mulch bed look good, put some new plants in there. I don't know why the other plants didn't grow, which was weird. But the other thing I did is I painted this house. And when I paint houses, I usually go with the same color for the siding on the exterior: black shutters, white trim, and like a beigeish, grayish brown color for the siding. All right. Now this house cost me about, I think this house cost me like 40 or 50,000 when I bought it. And I put probably 20,000 into it when I first got it. Now, I had a tenant in here. The tenant messed up the place, and so we had to redo the apartment or the house. We had to redo it and add new flooring. So as you walk in here, you got some flooring right here, brand new. You got your coat closet over here. This house does not have AC, so we put ceiling fans throughout the house. I think we're going to add AC to the house. So the only problem is this is not the best neighborhood. So when you add AC units, people will try to steal them if nobody's living in the house. So got to get somebody living in the house, then we'll add the AC. Put in new carpet. Of course, you got to paint the walls, put in new light switches. Usually on an older house like this, you got older electrical outlets and older switches. So I changed all of that stuff out, put new stuff in here, painted the ceiling white. I always go with this worldly gray color for the walls, which looks good against white trim. Paint the trim white. Put 2-inch blinds on all of the windows. I should have did one big blind across here for this house. If it was in a slightly better neighborhood, I probably would have invested a little bit more. But for this neighborhood, it's not going to make it that much of a difference. I put new appliances in here. New electric stove, new microwave, new refrigerator right there. New flooring. This is vinyl flooring, so it's waterproof. Again, 2-inch blinds everywhere. 2-inch blinds everywhere. Basic sink. And most of my other houses, I have like granite countertops with the undermount sink. But like I said, this house in this neighborhood just doesn't call for that. I probably eventually would paint these cabinets to like a gray color or a dark mahogany color, and then put in like a light color countertop, like a granite countertop. The reason why I put granite countertops in my kitchens, even in houses that are not in that nice of a neighborhood, is because once you put them in there, you don't have to change them. Like, people can mess these countertops up and you got to keep changing them. You might as well just put granite in there. It doesn't cost all that much. All right, so other decisions I made. It has a new AC or a new furnace in it. We want to make sure people are comfortable. This house has 3 bedrooms, so of course, like I said, brand new carpet everywhere. We actually reused some of the carpet that we had from another house and saved some money by reusing the carpet, putting it in here. So like that bedroom right there, I think it's carpet from the other house. It's a little nicer than the carpet that's in here. Almost the same color, but slightly different. Ceiling fans everywhere. Ceiling fans didn't cost that much. This is, I think, the master bedroom back here, because it's got a little closet. This is one of the cheaper homes that I own, but I got it for such a good price, and it has a really nice big backyard. So I couldn't really pass it up. I mean, you get a house like this for 50 grand, you got to take it. And it actually makes really good rent, which we're going to talk about here shortly. Painted the bathroom, updated the fixtures, make sure everything is good to go. We tiled out this bathtub so we don't have to keep changing the towel. You know, shower heads, all that good stuff. All right, here we go. Sink, bathroom, good. I don't know what happened just now. My camera just shut off. That was weird. All right, so this is what we did. Another bedroom, little closet back here. All right. Looking good. Now this house also has basement. So let's go check out the basement. And then we'll talk about the numbers, how much we plan to make on this property. So put carpet on the steps and carpet in a lower level so that people can leverage and use the basement. So there's new carpet down here. And there's a bathroom down here as well. There it is. Yep. So let's go back upstairs. And we painted all the walls in here, of course. So they could use this for like a workout room or a recreation room. They could throw their washer and dryer in the back over here. And this simple little house will generate some income. So let's talk about the numbers. Okay, so Project Supra right here. Like I said, I bought this house for roughly $50,000. I'll give you the exact number because I don't remember. I've had this house for at least 7 or 8 years. So I'll give you the exact number on the screen. But I do know how much I rent this place out for. And we rent this place out for $1,345 a month, $1,345 a month. My taxes on this place are probably around, I'm guessing $200 a month. I don't have a mortgage on this place. This house is paid off. But I do have to pay insurance, which is probably another $100 a month. So mortgage, zero. Insurance, about $100. Taxes, about $200 a month. Maybe a little bit more. So you're talking about a little over $300 a month. Let's say $350 a month in expenses and $1,000 in profit every month, which more than cover the Supra sitting out on the lawn outside. So that's how we do it. I try to show you guys some of the decisions I make, but the main thing when you buy a property and you fix it up, you want the house to look like new when you go to rent it. Now, depending on the neighborhood and what other houses look like, I try to make my houses a little bit better. This house is probably like the lowest 2 or 3 properties, definitely lowest, cheapest 2 properties that I own. All the other houses I own have like granite countertops and actually are in better neighborhoods. So I didn't want to over improve this house. Now, if I was going to sell this house, there's probably a few more things I would do to it, but we wanted to get it ready to rent and rent it out quickly so we can get to turning a profit again. So hopefully this video was eye-opening for some of you guys. Ask me questions in the comments and I'll continue to do videos like this. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me. That's all I ask. All right, take care. See you guys in the next video.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.toyotasupra.com www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.